Hello everyone, welcome back. Well, what I'm doing now is, what we're going to do is, I'm going to make a pineapple pudding. I'm getting a jump start on my dessert for after dinner tonight, so I figured I'd jump on here right quick and share this with you guys. So let's go ahead and get this going here. I have in the bowl here 8 ounces of cream cheese softened. I have, let's see what this is. This is the 14-ounce can of condensed sweet milk. Sweet milk, not evaporated. It's condensed sweet milk. We're going to add this in here. And we're going to just get this mixed all up and get that cream cheese all mixed up. This is a really good dessert, you guys, but it is rich, but it's good and it's different. It's different. We all get tired of those same desserts and want to turn to something different for a while. So give this one a try. It is good. It is good. Okay, so I'm gonna get this mixed up. Just get it until it's how soft that cream cheese is there. It's already soft for me. So we're going to get that mixed up there. Alright. Alright, now, next, I'm going to mix up 2 3.4 ounces of the instant vanilla pudding. I have 2 of these. Get these open. One. If you like pineapple, you like pudding, I'm sure you will like this. And cream cheese, and put some Cool Whip in there. Alright. And to this, I reserved a 1/4 cup of my pineapple juice, so be sure to do that. I'm going to add that in there. And I have 2 cups of whole fat milk here. We'll mix in there. Alright. Let me get my whisk over here out of my, I got my cream cheese and my condensed milk all mixed up there. Now we're going to work on this. I'm going to continue stirring this until it thickens up for us, which shouldn't take long, and be back. Okay. Look how nice and thick that pudding is. It's ready. Okay. So we have that, and we have a 12-ounce, or I'm sorry, 8 ounces, but you're going to want at least 12 ounces. I'll have to grab the little bit more out of the fridge in my bigger container there. But 12 ounces of some soft Cool Whip. I'm going to add in, which I forgot to mention a while ago, a splash of vanilla in my cream cheese mixture there. So I got about a teaspoon of that. Mix that in with your cream cheese and condensed milk. Just poured that right in there, some vanilla. I'll get that stirred in there. And this, you know, it's a quick dessert. It's going to come together quick for you. So I'm stirring that up in there. Alright. Now, I'm going to put my pudding, fold this in with the Cool Whip right into my cream cheese mixer. Put that all in there. Don't want to whisk it. I'm going to fold this all in. And if this has been frozen, if you've had it in the freezer, whatever, just make sure you take it out. Let it come to room temperature. And you're going to fold this pudding and this Cool Whip all in with that cream cheese mixture. Now, I'm going to go to the fridge right quick and get the rest of my Cool Whip. Alright. Got me my other big old tub here. It's approximate, but you want at least that 12 ounces. A little under, a little over, no biggie. Now you're just going to fold this in. Don't start beating it, just fold it. Fold, 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 fold. And then once we get this all folded, I'm going to add in 2 20-ounce cans of pineapple chunks. And I put those in the sifter there and the strainer and drained out and reserved some of the pineapple juice. And you're going to have quite a bit of juice from the 2 cans, you know. You want to reserve the rest of it for something else or drink it. But I'm going to keep folding that in and add the pineapple. Alright, I got that all folded in. And be sure you guys get in the middle and go around the bottom of that bowl, because that's where all that cream cheese is at, and you do want to get that all incorporated in there. Alright, now I got my 2 20-ounce cans. I reserved the juice, like I said. Don't forget to do that. And we're gonna, I let that drain for a good hour to make sure we get that, because you don't want to water down your pudding here. So throw that in there and fold it in. Fold it in. And once we get this all together, we're going to get it in the fridge and let it sit a few hours before you dig in it. But we are going to be using the chessmen cookies. I have 2 bags of these. These are the 7.25 ounce bags. I have 2 of them. We're going to be putting it in a 9x13 pan, spreading them on the bottom. But this dessert here, it makes a lot, so be sure you got enough to share with people, or because the longer it sets, the softer the cookies are going to get, and it's good when the cookies are soft too. Or you could just prepare your pudding and put it together individually in bowls. You know, put you a couple of cookies on top of the pudding and under the pudding, or just assemble it. Go ahead and assemble it in the 9x13 pan. But I'm going to assemble it because company, and there's going to be plenty of people to dig in. So, alright, let me get this out of the way. I'm going to assemble this with the cookies. So you guys can see that there. Get these opened. But y'all got the idea. Why do they gotta make these bags complicated to open? I'm surprised. I've had these cookies here for a while. I've been meaning to make this up, and I figured, well, what am I gonna make for dessert today? Figured, oh, here's my chance. But I'm going to sit here and just line these up, fill the pan up, and then I'm going to put a layer of pudding over that. Alright. I got that all put in there, all them cookies in there. Now I'm going to put in the pudding. Just get it all on there. I just dropped my other bag of those chessmen cookies there. Boy, did I yell. Trying to open it up. Them bags are giving me a hard time. Alright. Get all that yumminess out of there. I don't got my grandbabies here to lick the bowl. But I will. Alright. Now, I'm going to spread this out. Look at all those pineapple chunks in there. This is a good dessert. And it's quick. It is quick. It may seem like it's a lot, but if you do this on your own, you know, it's just going to, boom, you got it together. It's going to go by quick. It's just sitting here watching me. Get this all spread out. We'll put some cookies on here. The other bag, that's coming off there. Okay. Alright. I don't know why I got pudding all over me. Sure does taste good. Now, I'm going to line these up. And it's pretty too. It's a pretty dessert. Yep, this one's broke. No baby. There we go. But I'm going to put these on there. Alright, there it is. It's finished. Isn't that pretty though? It's pretty. But as I said, let it, I see this one cookie here that's upside down and that's bothering me. There we go. I see another one too, but I'll fix it. But anyways, there it is. You guys, I hope you give it a try. It is good. Like I said, I wanted to make a dessert for after dinner later, so this was my chance to get this put together, and I wanted to share it with y'all. So you guys have a wonderful evening, and please like and subscribe as always. And until then, we will see you in a few days. God bless.